Yo, Merry Christmas, man. It's the day after Christmas. And man, my son, as you see, we're in the garage. So what's up to him? Show your pistols, man. We finna, yeah, you got two Nerf guns. Show the other thing you got, you gonna get me with. Man, you got that 100-round drum on that thing, boy. I was cussing. But as you see your boy, hold the camera, son. You see it from a distance. Ooh, we got that Nerf. Hold that jump for me. Just like that. Yeah. As you see, I got them things on it. You can stay still. Check it out, son. Check it out. Yeah, you know. Watch me load up and we gonna get started, man. Damn. Oh, I already got this one in here, man. That's the back one. You know, when I got this one. And I got this one too, so I got 4 clips ready to take that. Oh, we got a gun just fell. But yeah, man. Hey, I'm kind of matching too. Check them shoes out, man. Check them shoes out, man. Oh, snap. Let's get it, man. What this dude at, man? Y'all know what this nigga at? Let's look for him. I'm gonna get him when I see him. Oh, there you go. Yeah, come right here. So we won't lose bullets. Go across. Go over there. Come back.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I quit. He shot me in the eye. Oh, man. He shot me in the eye, guys. 2 times. Not once, but twice. I don't know what happened, man. My gun. He's hiding. Don't hide. Don't hide, nigga. Okay, quit.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, man.
15 minutes later.
Yeah, hey, we finna get it one more time, man. One more time, man. Excuse the garage, kind of junky. But as you see here, I'm screwed on already. The real deal. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. Let's get it, man. Let's get it, man. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
You thought you were sick.
Oh, stop. Oh, boy.
Johnny.
Reload.
Yeah. Ow.
Yo, we gotta turn around, man. We in this bitch, man. We got the ground, man. Full of shells, man. Full of shells, man. Well, guys, I think it's over with. I mean, you know, he's packing up. I think he's scared. I don't know. I don't know why I'm scared. Is he scared of this big thing right here?
No.
A little thing, show a little gun before we end this video. Man, this little gun here, man, hit me in my eye so hard. Boy. But man, it's like what you see, man. Light coming in some stride. Man, if you got some Nerf gun battles, man, let me know. Shout out me, you know what I'm saying? Let me see your Nerf gun battles, man. Hey, come here. I hit this button right here, this gray button. Up here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. We in this jump, man, on the sun, man. We outro, man. Say bye, man.
Bye.
You scared? You don't go another round?
No, I'm good.
Why you good?
Because